In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Temu app on Android. We'll keep it simple, safe, and clear, using the method I recommend for everyone, getting the app directly from the Google Play Store. This ensures you're downloading the legitimate version with all the latest security patches and updates. Temu has over 500 million downloads and offers a wide range of items, from clothes and gadgets to home essentials, often with big deals and discounts, so it's worth installing the right way. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android phone. You'll find it in your app drawer or on your home screen. Once the Play Store is open, tap the search bar at the top. Type the word Temu. As you type, you may see suggestions appear. Go ahead and select the option that matches Temu. On the results page, look for the listing titled Temu, Shop Like a Billionaire. You can usually confirm you're on the right app by the high download count and the fact that it's the official listing. Tap the app to open its page. Here, you can glance at the star rating and reviews if you'd like, but when you're ready, tap Install. Your phone will begin downloading the app. Depending on your internet connection, this may take a moment, so just let it finish. When the installation completes, you'll see an Open button. Tap Open to launch Temu right away and start exploring. Here are a few important safety notes as you go. Always download from the Google Play Store when possible. That's your best protection against fake or modified apps. Avoid random APK websites and only consider an APK if it's from the official source and you fully trust it. Also, make sure your Android version is reasonably up to date. Temu typically supports Android 6.0 and above, and running a newer version can improve performance and security. If you're on a very old device, you might see a message that your device isn't compatible. In that case, updating your system, if available, can help. A stable internet connection will make the download faster, and having a bit of free storage ensures the install goes smoothly. Once Temu is installed, you're all set to browse categories like apparel, tech accessories, home goods, and more, and to take advantage of discounts highlighted within the app. That's it. You've learned the safest and most reliable way to download the Temu app on Android using the Google Play Store. Enjoy your shopping and make sure to keep your apps and your system updated for the best experience.